Apple is launching a 10.5-inch version of the iPad Air with support for the original Apple Pencil. This new model will be powered by Apple's A12 Bionic chip, and will be integrated into the iPad line between the larger iPad and iPad Pro models. Apple is making the iPad Air available from $499 for the Wi-Fi model, and $629 for the Wi-Fi and cellular version. Apple originally replaced its iPad Air 2 with a device called iPad almost 2 years ago, but the company has exceeded the screen size from 9.7 inches to 10.5 inches for this new model. But it means that every iPad that Apple now sells includes pen support. Apple's updated iPad Air will also be compatible with the company's smart keyboard, which is available separately for $159. Apple has not chosen its latest A12X processor for the iPad Air that it uses in the iPad Pro, but will instead use the A12. Apple is positioning this to bring more of our most powerful technologies to more people than ever by offering a larger iPad that is not quite at the Pro level but even more powerful than the smaller 9.7-inch iPad. This iPad Air also has a similar design and display screens for the smaller iPad, instead of the narrow frames found in Apple's latest iPad Pro. Apple is also using its Lightning connector and its Touch ID system for the iPad Air instead of the USB-C port or Face ID, as iPad Pro models do.